Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the font size for your text and conversations in the Steam application. So let us guide you through it. Alright guys, so if you'd like to change the font for the chats you have with your friends here on Steam, you can do that by accessing your Steam settings. So log into your Steam account, click into Steam in the top left and select settings. Now let me open these. And next, navigate to friends and chats here on the left hand side, and here guys inside the menu scroll to the very bottom and you can choose between 3 font sizes. So there's unfortunately no custom font size, but you can choose between small, default and large. Just remember guys that the chat font size is not the same as the interface font size. As you can see, it doesn't have any influence on the interface font size. If you'd like to change that, navigate to interface here. And let me find it really quickly. Okay, I can't find it right now, but as you can see guys, it's definitely not the same. So that's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.